My name is Joani Pemberton with Simply Vegas, and I'm going to take you on a tour of this Tri Pointe model. We are in Southridge, and it's going to be in the Atlas collection. And this particular model is a one-story home. It features 2,021 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. And the base price of this home is $504,000. The build time is approximately 9 months, and we're in Las Vegas. So let's take a look around. Okay, I'm going to start outside of this Atlas Plan 1 model. Again, it's 2,021 square feet, and we have the elevation B here. So I'm going to start over here, show you the front of the house. Again, it's a one-story house, nice little modern looking home. There's the gate to get to the backyard. This particular model is modeled with a pool, which is nice. We have the stacked stone facade. It's pretty. Love that stacked stone. It's gorgeous. We have the side of the house here. We have the little windows on the side of the garage and a few steps up to the front door. There's a 4-story window over the front door, which is pretty charming. Love that. And then it has a window on the side. Okay, moving on. We first walk into this charming little foyer. The foyer here has these beam ceilings. It's pretty high. It's asymmetrical. That is going to be the garage door. Yeah, this is the garage door. Can't go in there. So at the other side, in the front of the house, we have this little den, if you will, and it has some interesting windows. So on this side of the home, in the front of the house, we first have I'm going to start in here. We have a bedroom. Has a wall closet. And here, before we go into the bathroom, that's interesting looking tile. We have the dual quartz sinks with the little tiled backsplash, the circles. Charming. And the bathtub here. Again, interesting. Okay, moving along. On the other side of this lovely den, by the way, this is tile. It's really pretty. Kind of blonde, if you will. This bedroom number 2 is on the side of the house. It has a wall closet. That's kind of pretty. A leaf wallpaper. And it has a window to the outside. Okay, moving along again. These asymmetrical ceilings are really pretty in this foyer. They're pretty tall too. Okay, moving along. Now, this half bath or powder room, if you will, is beautiful. What's pretty is this taupe color grass cloth. Wallpaper. Isn't that beautiful? And the flooring, which again is this blonde tile. Looks like wood. It's interesting, it doesn't have any grout lines, so that's what's so pretty about it. Okay, so we have this nice long hallway. To my right, before we go into the family room, is going to be a laundry room. It usually has a door on it. It has some interesting tile too, kind of dark gray tile. There's a attic access. We have 2 GE washer and dryers. Okay, moving along. We have this nice family room. Interesting wall. This has a 4-panel sliding glass door. There's only 2 actually that open up. And this is the kitchen. We'll get to the kitchen. So again, here's the family room. You have to walk in it. We can't go out there. It's locked, but nice pool. It's actually pretty big. Let's see it over here. And we can't go out there, but there's a outdoor kitchen that's fully built out. That's awfully pretty, isn't it? Okay, again here, back to the family room. Moving along, and going into the dining room next before we go to the kitchen. This dining room is really just a little alcove. It has windows, no door. That's pretty nice. Interesting lighting. Next, we're going to go into the kitchen. We have quartz countertops, and again, GE dishwasher in the island. It has this top coffee color or espresso color cabinetry. This is actually asymmetrical island. I don't know if you can see that, but it is. It's a little bit longer on this side than on that side. Give it a little bit of style. Okay, over here, we're gonna start here. So this is the pantry. Okay, pantry. Again, this is a 1-story home. The GE refrigerator freezer combination. Interesting little tile back there. It's pretty. Over here, there's nothing. Pretty. We have the display case cabinetry as well, which is charming if you have pretty things. The 5-burner cooktop and matching hood. And over here we have the GE microwave convection oven and oven. So again, I'll show you this flooring is really pretty. Interesting. It's tile, looks like wood. Okay, on the other side of the family room, again for orientation purposes, there's the dining room. We are going to the primary bedroom. It has a tiled wall, which is really pretty, different. 4-story window. Taking with the back of the house. There's the pool. That's interesting, pretty. The primary bath has a shower only. Nice big shower though. Check in there. On this side, we have the water closet. Like a spacious water closet. And the shower. The shower has a bench. It also has a nice window. Dark color, I'm going to call them black hardware. Interesting. To the closet. Nice walk-in closet. The closet's carpeted. And here we have 10 by 20 tile in the master or the primary bedroom. We have dual under-mounted sinks, again with black hardware, and a mirror that goes all the way up the wall. Charming. It's a cabinetry. So thank you for taking this tour with me again, this Plan 1 model. Again, we're in Southridge. This is a Tri Pointe development in Las Vegas. And just as a recap, this is a one-story home. It has 2,021 square feet. It has 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and a 2-car garage. And the current base price of this home is $504,000. The build time is approximately 9 months. And if you have any questions with regard to this home or any of the homes in my video tours, you can contact me with my information below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos. Thank you.